Question number 12. An electronic displacement in a covalent bond is represented by following notation. Now, this is the notation given to us. Okay. There is CH2 and Cl. So the arrows are in this way. Clear? We have a partial positive charge and partial negative charge. So basically the electron displacement, it has been shown. The first one is the first question. A. Identify the effect. Now over here, if I carefully look into the effect, there is electron displacement through the sigma bond, right? Electron displacement takes place through sigma bond. Okay. And if it is through sigma bond, then definitely this effect is nothing but it is inductive effect. Okay. It is inductive effect. And in inductive effect also, we have two types, isn't it? Minus I effect and plus I effect. So which effect this particular group is showing? So definitely if I look into Cl it is an electron withdrawing group. Okay, so electron withdrawing group, it is pulling the electron. That means it is what? It is showing minus I effect. Clear? It is showing minus I effect. Coming to B, is the displacement of electron in a covalent bond temporary or permanent? So we know that everything related to the inductive effect we have already studied. So inductive effect, it is a permanent effect. Very important, it is a permanent effect. Clear? That is, it totally depends on the electronegativity of the atom. Now, in this case, Cl is more electronegative than carbon. So, definitely, Cl will pull the electron permanently. Okay, so there is displacement of electron permanently. And we can say that inductive effect is what? It is a permanent effect. Clear? I hope you understood this entire concept.